Hello students, let's learn how to solve these kind of a problems. So if you will see the first problem, they have already given you x plus 1 over x equals to 4 and we have to find x cube plus 1 over x cube. And in the next question, you can see x minus 1 over x is equals to 4 and we have to find x square plus 1 over x square. So in such questions, what you need to do, if they say x cube plus 1 by x cube will be equals to what? Then we have to use the formula where we will get some cube values of two different variables. So here we will use the formula which is x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Now in this question, the value of x is x and the value of y is represented by 1 over x. Now we have to use the formula, and in the formula we have to substitute the values of x and y. So in place of x I will write on x cube, in place of y it is 1 over x whole cube plus 3, in place of x we have x, in place of y it is 1 over x, in place of x it is x, in place of y it is 1 over x. Now this x and x will cancel and we'll get here x cube. So we'll write on x plus 1 over x cube is equals to, that means x plus 1 over x cube is equals to x cube plus, if I will write down for this, it would be 1 cube over x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 over x. So the value of x plus 1 over x is already given. We will substitute the values here. So this value is already given, this value is already given, and this is equals to 4. So we'll write down here 4 cube is equals to x cube 1 over x cube plus 3 into 4. Now 4 cube means 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. We'll write down here 64 is equals to x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 12. We will take this 12 to this side and we'll get the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube is equals to 64 minus 12, which is equals to 52. So the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube will be 52. In the next question, now we need to find out what is the value of x square plus 1 over x square. So we have to use the formula where we will get the value of two variables with the square. So we can use here the formula a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I can use the formula a plus b whole square also, because in that it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. But why I'm not using this formula? Why I'm going to use this formula? Because they have given us x minus 1 over x. So if I will take x as a, this one as b, so what is given? A minus b is given to me. So I will use this formula because I already have the value of a minus b. So in place of a, we'll write down here x minus 1 over x whole square is equals to a is x, x square minus 2 into x into 1 over x plus b is 1 over x whole square. Now this x and x will cancel and we'll get x minus 1 over x whole square is equals to x square minus 2 plus 1 square over x square. Now this value is already given. We will write down the value which is equals to 4. We'll write down 4 square is equals to x square minus 2 plus 1 over x square. So 4 into 4 is 16 is equals to x square minus 2 plus 1 over x square. We will take this value to this side and we'll get the value of x square plus 1 over x square will be equals to 16 plus 2, which is equals to 18. So we'll get the value of x square plus 1 over x square, which is equals to 18. So this is how you can solve the questions where x plus 1 over x is given to you or x minus 1 over x is given to you, and you need to find out the values of x square plus 1 over x square, or you have to find out the values of x cube plus 1 over x cube or x cube minus 1 over x cube. So if you like the video, do share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to write the comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.